Welcome to a tutorial on uploading documents. Once the user is on the documents page, the user can select the Select or Drop File Here button to attach their document. Under the Select Document Type section, they can select either one or all of the desired checkboxes. The user can then enter an optional comment prior to clicking the upload button. Apart from the generally required documents, the system will mandate certain other documents depending on the answer selected by the applicant. For example, if the applicant indicates that they possess data waiver on the professional information page, the data waiver document becomes required. Once the user selects the upload button, the attached documents will be displayed under the uploaded documents table. The user then has the ability to either remove the document or they can view the documents by clicking the hyperlink under the document file column. If they wish to re-upload, they can follow the whole process again for the desired document type. The applicant shall click the Save and Continue button to successfully save their uploaded documents.